Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka Sorkar Pdeng telah Phah ya ka Sorkar Meghalaya ban Pynphai no ya ke pisa ka bakot palat arspa Klur Lada omla satya ban penyo ya ka jaka nakabenta ban wanra ya ka Lynti Urlong khasi ha ka por ka babyang ha ka jingkran bat kilat pathai khubor ha ka arpu artarik ukalla lingkot arjapsan u menteri rangba ka jela u konrat ki sangma ulai thu ba ha ka ji kendu yo menteri ka Sorkar Pdeng u ba khmi ya ka tanat railway u la Pynphai ya ka jing sokhya halor ka jingbam palla ban yo jaka na benta ban wanra ya ka Lynti ha bernihan bat ha Shillong kumban chupan kan mahong ni baka Sorkar Pdeng kala terwa ban shina artli ke Lynti Urlong khasi kata ya ka Lynti ka bajrong arpu ar kilometer ka ba penyeso ya ka tetelia hadu bernihan bat ka Lynti ka bajrong hadu sispa pra kilometer ka ba penyeso na bernihat shadu Shillong.
So when I met the railway minister has expressed concern about the railway project at Bernihat as well as at Shillong, and I have made it amply clear to him in that meeting that we need to take the stakeholders into confidence, and without doing that it will not be proper for us to bulldoze on a subject like this. And detail I mentioned to him why, and I have always stressed on taking the community and the people on board while going for a major decision like this. So Minister has kind of understood the subject, but he has also in no mixed words has mentioned that if within a certain time frame, I think he'll be writing a letter to me very soon, could be 3 months or 6 months time, if this issue is not resolved in one way or the other, then the 300 crores or something that he has given money for land acquisition, 200 crores that has come up for land acquisition that has been lying with the DC since 2017. That money will be asked back, so we have to give back the money, which is obviously we have to. And second is more importantly that this project will be then cancelled, and the government may take up other projects if the other regions of the state are keen. So that of course I have requested that he give us some time to discuss. But the time limit is very, very limited. He did not give me exact months, but he has mentioned it will be few months. He will be writing to me very soon, and he said that if necessary, he himself will come and have a meeting with stakeholders to discuss the importance of this, and we'll see how to take it forward. But as I said, he has given a very, very strong statement and indication to me that if we are not able to move forward, then this particular project, which runs in thousands of crores, and which has got huge economic impact for our state, will have to be cancelled.